I've been in residential building and remodeling for almost 20 years now, which is wild.
I've remodeled a few homes that use propane for cooking or outdoor, but never for whole home use until this year.
Even with 2 decades of experience, I'm constantly expanding my skill set. So I turned to a partner in the building industry.
The Propane Education and Research Council, or PERC, to help deepen my knowledge of the efficient and affordable whole home energy option.
So, what are its selling points for home builders?
Propane allows you to build anywhere, which is great as the number of buildable lots on natural gas mains decline.
Using propane produces 52% fewer greenhouse gas emissions than using the equivalent amount of electricity generated from the grid. That's because a significant portion of electricity production comes from the natural gas or coal generation plants, which release CO2 emissions as part of the generation process.
Plus, propane works in tandem with renewable energy sources like wind and solar, providing a reliable, efficient, diverse, and clean energy mix for clients.
Propane appliances are more efficient than their electric counterparts and can reduce a homeowner's energy bill up to 50%. This includes appliances like stovetops, clothes dryers, fireplaces, tankless water heaters, and generators like this one. For home builders and renovators, having this option to offer your clients positions you well in an ever-increasing competitive market.
From incentive programs through local utility companies to Energy Star programs, there are several tax credits and resources to help builders put money in the bank and do something positive for the environment. And PERC has a program too.
If you're not already sold on the use of propane and want to learn more about building with propane, go to propane.com/residential construction.